It's Freebie Friday again, and they come around awfully quickly. In today's video, you'll get a free recipe book pictured there. It's a book that I made a long time ago, but I've updated it a little bit in Affinity Publisher 2. Originally, I made it in Serif Page Plus. I'll tell you a little bit about that in the video. Now, when I give you the code, I may misspell it the first time, but I get it right later on, so watch the video till the end. Was that a ploy, or was it an honest mistake? I'll let you decide. But you'll see us put the code into Gumroad. That's the correct code because it comes up to as free. I'm not going back to re-edit the video now, though. So that's it. Enjoy the video, enjoy the free file, and there's a link in the description for the Freebie Friday playlist where you get all of the assets so far for absolutely nought. This is the book you'll be receiving for watching this video. Now, I made it probably 6 or 7 years ago in a program called Serif Page Plus. Now, Serif were the company that eventually became Affinity. I didn't have the original file, and I don't have the original program, but I did find the PDF. So what I've done is I've pulled the PDF into Affinity 2 just to make sure that everything is correct. I've had to make sure that the things are in the bleed, that the wording is within the margins. I tidied up the text boxes a bit. I added page numbers, which weren't around in the original one, just to make it easier for when people use the contents page, they can put the page number in. So this is the source file. You're getting the PDF, which is this here. It has a title page. This recipe belongs to blah 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 and contains recipes from blah blah blah. It's designed to be kind of like a family memory hand-me-down, where someone goes around and collects all the old family recipes. So that's your title page. You then get 2 fairly standard contents pages. People can write the recipes and the page number down. And then you get the recipe book proper. It's a 2-page spread that repeats throughout the book. The book is 100 pages in length, 6x9 with bleed. And this is it here. You get a space for your recipe, space for ingredient lists, a method which spans over the 2 pages. The header of the second page has your serves, prep time, cook time. And there's the page number there. Underneath the method, there's a space for notes, perhaps substitutions or things you found difficult, and then memories about the meal. And that's it. Just repeats over a load of pages. Really simple, but it does the job. Now, to get this, of course, you need the link below and you need the password. The password is recipes. 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 Click the link, it takes you to my Gumroad. You'll see this screen here. Click I want this and just type in the discount code there. Recipes, the code is RECIPES. Perfect, takes us out to 0. So RECIPES. I can't remember what I said earlier. I don't know if I said recipe or recipes. Anyway, that's the correct code there. You'll get it for absolutely zilch. And just again, I'll scroll through this book. This is just to fox anyone who skips straight at the end to try to get the code. So I'll just gently scroll through this. If you've got the code already, you can naff off and get the book. You don't have to watch this bit. This is just me tricking people by going over the book again. So recipes, ingredient, method, all very clean, all very nice. Big page number there to help with navigation. I suppose in the contents page, I could have put a section for page numbers so people could write the recipe name and the page number, but I didn't. And that's it, just repeats through. Very nice, very simple. There's loads of recipe books on Amazon. You niche it down to your family or your grandma's cookbook or whatever, you'll find a hole where this will slip into quite nicely. So that's it for today's video. That's another Freebie Friday out the way. Enjoy the books. I'll leave a link in the description for the rest of the playlist. If this is your first Freebie Friday that you've came across, I've done one every Friday this year. So there'll be a playlist in the description where you can grab a few assets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.